all, welcome to my channel Education, Art and Craft. Today I am going to give you an example of how to give self-introduction in school or in colleges. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Self-introduction. Hi everyone, my name is, mention your name here, and I am in the, mention your grade or standard here. I really enjoy studying math and science, but I also love getting creative in art class. Outside of academics, you can usually find me on the badminton court, practicing with my friends. Oh, and fun fact about me, I like to do classical dance. I play the guitar in my free time. Can't wait to get to know all of you. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.